Where is SOUN going next? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on SoundHound stock? In this video, I'm going to show you everything regarding technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all in 2 minutes time. And to do this, I'm going to use my strategy that has previously statistically shown to work, helping me get hundreds and hundreds of wins. You can check it out first, link in the description if you're skeptic. Now, I'm going to show you what has worked for me, and hopefully this video serves you. And let's get right into this. Also, I'm going to ask you a very simple question: what is the overall trend to your understanding and how you actually grasp the things? How are you seeing this thing actually going and moving? There's a lot of arguments to be had, obviously. Some people are going to say and put this into this trend right here being bullish. Some people are going to say, all right, it's bearish and whatnot. Everyone has their own opinion. You just need to follow your rules, okay? And my rules are saying the following thing. Now, I'm just going to show you in a minute. Well, let me just show you this. Like in a matter of 3 months, and this was all called out on YouTube for absolutely free, we predicted 220% upside move, and here's the video link. I'm not gonna pull it out because I pulled it out in the yesterday's video, but yeah. Now, what is my opinion? Now, higher time frame wise, I definitely don't have a decision. Like the structure should just broken down right here. Higher time frame kind of going down. But to me, this thing actually makes a lot of sense to just lower time frame, and I'm talking about like this right here to continue and deliver bearish, and this is going to look approximately something like this. And then we're going to wait and react to see what the price is going to do. This is my strategy, okay? And I'm following my strategy, okay? I'm not going to not follow it because it has shown to work for me, and I'm sharing it with you. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice, and past results doesn't mean for future success. This is my prediction. Just expecting a little more downside moves, and then we're going to see what the price is going to do. So stay tuned. It's going to be interesting. If you want to learn my strategy for absolutely free, check out the first link in the description.